Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and I go camping a lot, and I'm in an RV, and I don't have a lot of space, right? So this here is the Paphico fishing telescopic pole, and not only is there one in here, there is two inside this bag. You can see here it holds two fishing poles that are secured by this plastic piece. We can go ahead and pull this off, and then you can extend this. Will extend fully out to give you a full-size pole. When it's all said and done, it's about 6 feet long, and it comes, we can retract it back so you can see everything. And it comes with these reels as well with some line on it already. These will snap into place, and you can see here we can start to cast and reel in. And then when we're said and done, we can save these. Don't throw these out because this keeps it secure, especially when it's back in its bag and you're going down the road. You can go ahead and lock this back in place. And again, this is holding two, so I cross them like this inside the bag here. Oh, we forgot our handles. So there's a little lever right here. Just push that in and then slide that out or slide that back. And there you have it. Now they're also going to give you this bag, which is really nice. You do get a extra pouch here, and they also throw in some lures, some hooks to get you started. So this out of the gate is good to go to start fishing with some lures. And then again, this is perfect for me to throw into one of my basement doors on the rig and not take up a lot of space. Having a telescopic fishing pole is key, so I'm not having that long 6-foot pole having to figure out where I'm going to be putting that. So this is a really nice set. I like the bag. I like how everything will stay in here. Highly recommend it. Check it out if you're looking for a telescopic pole and you travel a lot.